Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing something I've been wanting for a long time, and the Shokz OpenRun. These are bone conduction headphones that let you hear your music and your surroundings. And let's dive in and see what's inside the box. Okay, so you might be wondering, why do I have two open runs? Okay, so as you can see, this one is the mini. Okay, and this one is standard size. Actually, there are also differences between the two aside for their sizes, and that is the charging. With this one, we have the magnetic magnetic charging, and this one is with the USB Type C. So for both of this device are similar except for those reason that I mentioned, the size and the charging. Okay, so a lot of people, especially for those who own OpenRun a long time ago, there's also a different name for OpenShokz. Before, I think it's after Shokz, and now it's Shokz only. Okay, so anyway, a lot of people would like to have a Type C charger, but as for me, my preference is different. I would like the magnetic charging. One of the reason is like waterproofing is much more better, and well, there are like pro and cons with this one. If you have Type C, of course, you do have Type C already, right? Like your mobile phone using Type C charger. But as for me, I still prefer the magnetic charging. One of the reason is like it's easy to charge. It's much more better with water resistance. And if you notice, with the Type C charger, there is like a rubber that covers the port. And from what my experience with like rubbers in especially with covers, for example, if you own like GoPro, and eventually over the time those rubbers cover will start to deteriorate, and eventually it will get brittle, and yeah, so it won't cover the port anymore. So that is my reason. So I still want it here. So anyway, let's open it and let's see what's the inside of this box. Okay, so this one is the mini. All right. First up, oh, hold on. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. So we have here the headphones themselves, super lightweight, flexible. Okay. And warranty card. Let's see what's inside the box. We have, right, we have the pouch. Okay. And paperworks, and we have the charger. Okay, And also one of the disadvantage of this one is also the length of the charger. Okay, it's not too long. And let's check with, let's say for example, if you have Type-C charger, for example like this, so this short, yeah, and you cannot just buy anywhere. So actually that is the advantage of having Type-C charger compared to their magnetic charger. But as what I've said, this one I prefer the most because of those reasons. Other disadvantage, if let's say for example, if you break this or lost it, you can buy this for 16 euro. Yeah. So I think that's it. So one of the reason why I charging cable, this is also fast charging, as you can see. That's it. It's really nice actually to have this. It's much more easier to charge, and since it's magnetic, and because of this protection, this is the only exposed compared with the Type-C charger. Yeah, so it's different. It's open. They have open here, and you can also have the carrying case, pretty sleek and very smooth, really nice. Definitely used for travel or everyday carry, and of course, usual paperworks. Yes. So that's what's inside the box. All right. So I will be going to review this very nice device. Okay, and as I'm holding this and wearing the headphones, my first impression actually is they feel really comfortable. Nothing goes to ears, which means no pressure or sweat buildups. Huge plus if you're using them for workouts or commuting. You've got volume controls, a multi-function button, that magnetic charging port that snap right into place, just like I showed you earlier. Yep, that's it. All right, so that's the unboxing of the Shokz OpenRun. I'll be testing them out over the next few days and we'll drop a full review soon. But if you've been thinking about trying bone conduction headphone, this might be the one to watch. And of course, you may consider also the other version of this soon. Okay. This might be the one to watch. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Have you tried bone conduction before? Or is this your first time hearing about it? All right, so comment below. Thank you for watching and see you again to our next video.